My journey to doing a PhD has not been a conventional one.
I want to make a positive impact on the world.
The multidisciplinary atmosphere of King's helps me think outside the box.
I had always dreamed of doing a PhD, but when the time came, I opted for the glitz and glamour of the music industry. After many late nights and traveling around the world, I decided to return as a mature student.
The prestige and academic excellence of King's made it an ideal choice for my PhD.
I'm working to adapt renewable energy sources so they better integrate into large power systems. I hope this research will help speed up the development of renewable energy.
My research aims to better understand lithium-ion battery fires. With my research, I'm hoping to prevent accidents, safeguard lives, and better protect the environment.
My research centers around robotics, taking inspiration from the way animals and humans move and applying it to robots. I hope my research will open the door for more people to interact with robots by providing a simple and affordable approach to robotic locomotion.
King's brings together researchers from diverse backgrounds, fostering collaboration and innovation.
The engineering department at King's has new labs and teaching spaces, so it's been an excellent opportunity to be a part of something cutting edge.
A PhD equips me with a broad skill set that is highly valued in industry.
As King's graduates, routes into industry, academia, as well as government and policy are all open to us.
There is a need for experts in research and development to make new things possible. And with a PhD, you become the expert.
Studying at King's College London is a truly unique experience, only comes once in a lifetime.